Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the beautiful winter storm. So this is my studio. It's beautiful. Look at that. It looks like a curtains. Look. See? So this is the winter storm here in upstate New York. Winter is very nice, very pretty, but not when you're driving. We almost we were almost got an accident twice already. It's awful to drive when it's stormy, but the beauty of nature when storm, after the storm, it's beautiful. So here you go, guys. I will give you a tour so you'll see it, okay? We can make snowman tonight. Yeah, we'll make snowman, okay? So she likes to make a snowball. And look at this, guys. This is the beauty of snowstorm. I'm so glad because it's already daytime when I get out. So it's so perfect. So normally when I go home, it's dark time, so I can get a chance to take a video of this beautiful nature. But yeah, that's how it looks. It looks like a cotton, right? I got home early today, a little early today, because the road is not that bad. So I am so happy that the road is not bad. So this is our little property. This is our garage. That's like same size as our house. There's another beautiful snow over here. So this is the one. Wow! It's like white Christmas. White, because that's pine tree. This is a branch of a pine tree.
It's getting deep in here.
It's getting what?
It's getting deep.
Baby! Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming soon. What? Wow, you're so demanding. This is the back of our house. You are so demanding. Ow! And that's the kids' playground right there. What? Yes, I am following your track. Okay, I'm following your path. Uh-huh. Where's Kuya? Kuya did not come out. Ah, did you throw snow on me?
What? No.
Say hi!
Hey, hi.
Do you like playing in the snow?
Yeah.
Do you want to make us a snow angel?
Okay.
Okay. Wider, wider. Can you get wider? Now you can get up. I'll take a picture of your angel. That is so cute. You need help? Oh, good job. You got it by yourself. That's your snow angel. That looks like Maria?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get up here.
This is our tiny apple. Diba guys? Ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda talaga niya. Ang ganda talaga niya.
I want to do this.
What?
This.
You cold?
No.
Do you want me to stop?
No.
No?
One time I went up the swing,
Mm-hmm.
Papa pushed me in the back.
Oh, do you want me to push you in the back? Okay.
That's around me and I was Mama,
Baby, I'm here. Ito ang aming backyard. Ay, hala. Ano yun? I need to clean our driveway. Like seriously. Because, para naman masaya si asawa. Baby! You're following my truck? Para naman masaya si asawa ko.
There's a lot of holes.
There's a lot of... Is this your trucks over here? Is that your footsteps?
That looks like
Can I take a picture of you over there?
where?
It's beautiful like there, over there.
Over here?
Over here. I'll take a picture of you. Over here.
Photo.
Hmm?
Let's do another photo.
Okay, there you go.
No. Another.
Beauty, over here. This is our front yard where we usually do our barbecue.
And there's snowball fight.
Snowball! Snowball fight.
Yeah, that's shaded. I just shaded that.
Pag nasa pag nasa forest, ganito mangyari pag mag-snowstorm. Pero pag nasa city ka, hindi mo to makikita. Kaya, i-vlog ko to para makita niyo ang beauty ng
Your snowball fight.
Ah! So more over here.
That's not true. Everybody eats cookies. No, they don't. They eat.
Hopefully this is the last storm of the year. Hopefully. Hopefully. Baby, get out. Someone gonna plow our driveway. No, just kidding. I wish. I wish. My wish. Ay, sana ang ganda talaga. Baby, I'm gonna take a picture again over here.
Boyfriend. Are you gonna boyfriend? Boyfriend.
So happy. Eh? There's no wind today. Because if it's windy, we can't see this. We can't see this beauty of this. That's why I said, better go home, hurry. Before the wind start blowing this out. Then the fun part is, I have to shovel that one because our snowblower broke. So,
What?
yeah, our snowblower broke, baby.
There's no snowblower.
No snowblower, so mama has to shovel. So this way, so that's our road. So the road is not bad. That's why I made it home a little early than anticipated because I'm driving a little faster.
Snowball.
I can't get over this, guys. So beautiful. Baby, I'm eating snow. I'm eating snow.
Can I see?
Mm?
Mm.
Mm.
See. Can I see you eating snow? Can I eat some snow, Hunter? Mm. It does taste good. It doesn't have pee on it.
It doesn't have pee. Did you pee on the floor, on the ground? Mm. Tastes like ice. Ice.
Well, it really tastes like potato cheese ice.
Puto cheese. Puto
Yeah.
cheese ice.
Yeah, that's yummy. Yum, 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 yum.
Mm.
Yeah.
Diba? Ang ganda niya tingnan, guys. Ito yung ano namin, view. Tuwing winter. Pag hindi siya mahangin. Pag mahangin siya, wala to. Ang ganda talaga. Okay, guys. Tama na muna. Kailangan ko tong i-shovel, oh. Kasi nasira yung snowblower namin. Para naman masaya si asawa ko pag uwi niya. At least halfway. Baka di ko kayanin yung lahat. Okay, bye guys!